The boy drew a picture of a car in the sand. The child drew a picture of her house and her family with coloring crayons. The child drew a picture of her family at Christmas with some coloring pencils. The football coach drew up football tactics on the blackboard for his players. The boy drew a picture of a face. The women drew some pictures in art class. The boy drew a tree on the blackboard with white chalk. The boy drew a love heart on the blackboard with white chalk. The teacher drew a happy and a sad face on the blackboard. The artist drew a picture of a man's face with a pencil. The architect drew up design plans for the new building. The traveler drew all of the world's most famous attractions on the white wall. The geography teacher drew a map of the world. The woman in the red dress drew a picture of her living room. The boys drew a picture of a train on a rail track. The interior designer drew a picture of a kitchen. The little boy drew a picture of his family. The man drew a picture of an umbrella with clouds and rain on the blackboard. The architect drew a picture of his dream house in the countryside. The woman drew a love heart on the window with her finger. The woman drew a love heart on the car windscreen.